Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a really easy messy bun hairstyle in under 3 minutes. To start, we're going to sweep all of the hair up onto the top of the head and secure it with an elastic band into a high ponytail. I've left some hair out to frame the face. Then I'm going to take a bun donut and tie an elastic band around the middle so it makes a figure of 8 shape. So you've got 2 holes instead of 1. And I'm simply going to split that ponytail in half and pull each half of the ponytail through each one of those openings in the hair donut. So once you've pulled both sides of that ponytail through the padding, just hold it to the head and secure all the way around the outside with a few bobby pins along the back and front of that padding. Next, take each side of that ponytail, bring it forward to the front of the hairline and secure it together with a clear elastic band. Then I'm going to take each side and just swap them over so they're crossing over each other, again to make a sort of figure of 8 shape. So you should have a little hole at the front, and then we're just going to stretch that hole all the way over to the back of that hair padding. And then the next step is really simple. We're just going to pinch and pull at the hair to cover all of that padding so you can't see it, and just secure it in place with a couple of bobby pins so it doesn't slip about. So do this at the front and repeat on the back. So spread out the hair and secure it with some pins. And with the tail ends, I'm just going to tuck them underneath that hair donut and again secure them with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.